We're taking a look at the JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones, packed with hybrid active noise cancelling, immersive spatial audio, powerful 40mm drivers, and impressive battery life, all in a sleek and comfortable design. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones, USB-C charging cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to charge. To charge the JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones, use a power adapter and a USB-C cable like the one included. Connect the adapter to a power source, then plug the USB-C cable into the USB-C port on the headphones. Once connected, the LED indicator light will turn on to show that the headphones are charging. That's all it takes to power them up. How to pair. Download the JLab app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your JLab headphones. To pair the JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones with your phone, open your device's settings and go to Bluetooth. Press and hold the multifunction button on the right ear cup until the indicator light starts flashing blue and red, signaling pairing mode. Once the headphones appear in the list of available devices, tap on them to connect and your headphones will be ready to use. To connect the JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones with the app, open the JLab app and tap the plus icon to add a device. The app may automatically detect your headphones and begin pairing. If not, select your headphone model manually from the top of the screen to start scanning again. Once detected, follow the prompts to connect and access features like custom sound settings, controls, and other app functions. Smart features? Uses advanced microphones to reduce unwanted background noise for a quieter, more focused listening experience. Helps you enjoy music, calls, and media with fewer distractions, whether at home, work, or while traveling. Creates a more immersive 3D sound experience, making audio feel like it's coming from different directions around you for better depth and realism. The 40mm drivers help deliver balanced sound with clear vocals, detailed highs, and rich bass for music, movies, and gaming. Delivers up to 70 hours of playback on a single charge, making it ideal for travel, work, and daily use without frequent charging. Even with ANC turned on, it still offers around 40+ hours of listening time, so you can enjoy music for days without interruption. Features ultra-soft cloud foam ear cups and a padded headband that gently adapts to the shape of your ears and head for a snug fit. Provides long-lasting comfort and reduces pressure, making it ideal for extended listening sessions, travel, and daily use. Lets you personalize your headphones by adjusting EQ settings, sound modes, and controls directly from the app for a more tailored listening experience. You can also update firmware, manage noise cancelling levels, and customize button functions to match your preferences easily. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JLab JBuds Lux ANC headphones. See you at the next one.